Aarti Patel here with the new topic of our second chapter, microorganism friend and foe, that is cleaning the environment. Before that, what we had seen? We had seen the soil fertility, increasing soil fertility, commercial uses, medicinal uses, vaccine. In that we had covered antibody portion. So now here we are seeing the cleaning of the environment on the session of 29th of April. Welcome back again and moving towards our topic. Okay, first of all, cleaning the environment, how microorganisms are useful for us to clean up the environment. So for that, one activity is already given in the textbook. Suppose bucket A and bucket B. In the bucket A, you will fill with plastic bags and some glasses and mirror, plastic glasses and that all waste you will fill in bucket A. In bucket B, you will take plants, plant waste, you can take vegetables, you can take fruits, all waste product, means decayed. So this is ready, okay. You don't need to take fresh one. So plants, vegetable, fruits you will take. After 3 to 4 weeks you will observe. Then you will observe waste decomposed and got converted into manure. Now what's the meaning of manure? Manure, which is the decomposition of some organic matter with the help of microbes. With the help of microorganism, it got converted into manure. And manure, that word we have learnt in first chapter, production and management. What was the difference between manure and fertilizer? Manure is one type of organic matter, okay, got converted into manure with the help of microorganism. So this we have just, if we will see after 3 to 4 weeks, then you will observe this can get converted into manure, some organic substance. But this plastic, in science standard also we have learned that plastic cannot decay, cannot decompose. Okay. Large amount of dead organic matter in the form of decaying plants. Large amount of dead organic matter. Dead organic matter means stolen some food like vegetables, fruits, some plants, some dried leaves of plants. This all are dead organic matters in the form of decaying plants and sometimes dead animals on the ground. You would have seen sometimes dead animal also will be on the ground, and sometimes it remains on the ground, and you can say that over there many insects will come, and in the microorganisms also will be there, but that is not seen out, we are not able to see by our naked eye, right? So what will happen? It will get decomposed into some organic matter. So large amount of dead organic matter, sometimes dead plants, dead animals, that all will after few days will disappear. How is it so? How is possible? Who will take that from there? Who will take from there? Nobody will take from that, but it will get decomposed. Okay. So they disappear due to process of microbes and convert into simpler substance into manure. They'll disappear. Why? Because microorganism will convert them into manure or some type of organic substance, and that substance is known as manure. So that only I have written here, they disappear due to process of microbes, means microorganism, and convert them into simpler substance is nothing else. That word is known as manure, and manure increase the soil fertility. Microbes degrade harmful smelly substance. Sometimes you would have seen some decaying vegetables, plants or fruits are just stinking, foul odor or smelly substance. Yeah. So that we don't like to use, and why we are not using? Because it's not good. It's already spoiled. So that spoiled food like animal, plant, fruits, and they all are having nutritious substances in that, but that's not eatable. We can't take that in our diet. That's why we are throwing, and after whatever it has been thrown from there, it will convert into some organic substance, that is manure, with the help of microorganism. So this is how microorganisms are helpful for the cleaning the environment. So this all process we have seen that was about cleaning the environment. Before that we had seen increasing soil fertility. Now we will see harmful effects of microorganism. That microorganisms, some microorganisms, how they are harmful to us. That we will see in our next part.